How do you find the preview app on your iPhone? Let me talk about it. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, the preview app simply became available after updating the iOS, right? So if you do not have it, just make sure you install ideally the latest version of iOS, but it has been available since the iOS 26. So, make sure you have that version for the app to show up. And there are some mixed opinions about the app, right? Because you can, for example, go to the Files app and locate any kind of like document. For example, it might be a PDF file. And now when you click on it, it doesn't open or it doesn't stay within the Files app, but it moves you over to the Preview app, right? So if I see what is currently open, it is the Preview app. So that's fine because there are some additional features like you can assign or fill out some forms in the document, and you have some additional things in here, but this is not really the app which I like. The way it used to work before, and which I still prefer, if I'm being honest, is that when I hold down on the document in my Files app and I click on a quick look, it opens up in here inside of the Files app. I'm still within the files and I can come back. I liked that way before, but now when you click on it, it just goes to the Preview app. So it is what it is. Of course, you can use even like a completely different app to preview and view your files. So but that's kind of how you can find it and how you can use it. Let me know if you have some additional questions about it. Perhaps I'll make an updated video about this topic in the future, but for now, that's going to be about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.